cook dinner.
So finally I go meet him mother-in-law.
But him nervous and him move jiggy.
Lord T, ease up on him a little bit. That is expected. At the first time, you know.
I understand that. But him a go like them. Little pitney, but Freddy.
So what you say? If you there go meet fee mother for the first time, you wouldn't afraid? No, wait. You wouldn't nervous?
Yeah, I feel a little nervous, but not like him.
Him just want to make a good impression, that's all.
I understand. Yes, Maureen? I mean, Mom? Yeah, you can come by 7 o'clock. Alright, later.
No man, a serious dinner date.
You don't like bubbles? At the first anybody I meet anybody for me.
So you think she gonna like him?
Me no business whether she like him or not. I just want to make sure she meet him because she in my skin for meet him.
Okay, Miss Big Man. You don't make up your mind about your little spooky.
Maybe she gonna find him a little bit weird, but I that me like about Karim.
Listen, Karim have his own unique trait. And the best part about it is that when you're young, and he might take care of you. So, follow your heart.
Exactly. I that me I do.
Alright. Do me a favor. Try on this.
Eyeglasses this bubbles? Why me? Feel like a teacher.
You look like one too.
But now gonna look weird in this.
The weirder it is, the better it is for you. It keep him distracted from not paying too much attention to your face.
So when you look wear dark glasses like this?
That is the time he would have pay attention to your face. Picture this. You're in an establishment, you're speaking to the person in your dark glasses. 1, it's impolite, and 2, it's broad daylight.
So this clear glasses here, it not gonna make him see my face.
Trust me, with your dressing, he might be very distracted, and the glasses have the right level of tint for hide your eyes.
Weird. So it's a secret agent glass. Randy. So, camera night?
You forget who we are dealing with. T, he would have picked up that long time. As you walk in, he would have see it. Remember saying in the field long enough to know. So I'm 3 feet.
Okay, you're not for yourself. My item at the camera.
I hope you work on your accent. And not just the point words we will practice, but like a line of conversation with him. And please don't preempt any conversation, because he can ask you anything. All right?
Yes, Ricardo?
Tonya, my mom tell us I leave early because I have something for you.
Alright, Masu come.
Alright.
Ricardo said I leave early, so I'm going to the shop and going to have to carry come.
No man, keep your entire disguise. You can put it on later and go and get comfortable and work on your body language with it.
Now later. Remember said at dinner date later.
Oh hell, me forget. Sorry T. How Ricardo though?
You might go on, you know. But school, Need to have him away. So, I'm going to go and do him for them.